In a series of rapid military maneuvers across the Indo-Pacific and the Middle East, global stability face significant challenges as major powers intensify their posturing. On February 17th, the United States Navy conducted a massive sinking exercise in the Philippine Sea, deploying the Carl Vinson and Ronald Reagan carrier strike groups. Utilizing dozens of Lightning II stealth fighters and Growler electronic warfare aircraft, the coalition successfully neutralized the retired amphibious assault ship Bella Wood with long-range anti-ship missiles. Simultaneously, South Korea and the United States launched a preliminary Freedom Shield drill, featuring the maiden joint flight of 4 South Korean KF-21 Baralmi fighters alongside American Raptor stealth jets, focusing on advanced radar tracking and cruise missile coordination. The Middle East remains a volatile epicenter of kinetic action. Following a directive from the United States presidency targeting Iranian weapon supply chains, American air and naval forces executed a dual-strike operation. F-15E Strike Eagles struck underground warehouses in Syria's Deir ez-Zor province, while the destroyer Laboon disabled a primary oil loading arm at Iran's Karg Island using Tomahawk cruise missiles. These actions have reportedly slashed Iranian crude exports by 250,000 barrels daily. In response, the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Navy seized a South Korean supertanker in the Gulf of Oman, citing environmental violations and the deactivation of its identification systems, further tightening the maritime chokehold in the region. Tensions have also spilled into the diplomatic and covert arenas. In the Gaza Strip, a precision strike by Israeli stealth aircraft reportedly eliminated a high-ranking Hamas commander linked to the events of last October. On the diplomatic front, Israel issued a stern warning regarding potential nuclear cooperation between major Asian powers and Iran, threatening to target overseas interests if such aid persists. Meanwhile, in the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, United States Special Operations Forces carried out high-stakes raids on tankers carrying Iranian oil, including a ship flying the Hong Kong flag, leading to casualties and the seizure of cargo. As the conflict in Eastern Europe intensifies, Ukrainian drone swarms targeted Russian oil infrastructure in the Taman port, causing massive fires and forcing the temporary closure of Black Sea export routes. Russia responded with a decapitation strike, using submarine-launched cruise missiles against command centers in the Kyiv region and long-range strategic bombers hitting airfields and fuel depots across Ukraine. With the closure of humanitarian corridors in the Black Sea and the deployment of German heavy armor to Lithuania, the geopolitical landscape enters a period of unprecedented friction.